So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand mice and other pointing devices. And then you want to find your mouse. You want to right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for device installed. And then you want to click on search for updated drivers and Windows Update. And then you also want to check for updates right here. If you have anything that comes up, you want to install it. Also, if your mouse comes with a software like my one does, then you want to go to your software, and then go to your mouse, and then go to settings. Make sure that your firmware is up to date for your software itself. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in mouse settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you just want to copy all the settings that you see on my screen. So under scrolling, you want to put this to this right here, on 3. Roll the mouse wheel to scroll. Put this at multiple lines at a time. And then you want to turn on scroll when active windows when hovering over them. Now you want to scroll down and then click on additional mouse settings. And now you just want to copy everything that you see on my screen again. So you can pause the video. So here's the buttons tab. And now pointer options. Just copy all of this. And then wheel. And then click on OK. See if that works for you. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic, and then click on enter. And then once you're on this, you want to click on advanced. Make sure that you have apply repairs automatically selected, and then click on next. Wait for this to load. If your mouse comes up here, you want to click on your mouse. If it doesn't, you want to click on I don't see my device listed. Now on your screen, it may be saying something else for you, but in my case, it says apply this fix, so I'm going to click on this. On your screen, if it shows you some different steps or options that you can try, you want to do that. But in my case, I'm going to be doing apply this fix. And then click on next. I'm now going to restart my computer like it told me to. And now hopefully this will fix the problem.